Alright, back. Once again, Freedom for Australia. We had work Sunday to, well, I'm not meant to say that. I meant to say the time. 8:21. Now let's go back over here where the action is. There's a Dacia red Nissan 300 ZX, I think. I want to get a shot of that before someone already parked up. Hopefully not. ZX. Let's get a shot of that darty thing too in a sec. And that darty green Holden. Anyway, the legends. Shot of this red thing. Oh, it's not even a, it's a Honda, I think. The legend. That boss things. The dog there. Chevrolet pulling in. There's lots of things going on. Let's go drop my bags over here. Here's. Let's go get a shot of these things over here first. Peeps, look at the peeps. Pretty sure that car. The legend, look at him. Bye bye. We'll get the one side and then the other. On the camera it usually looks like it's in the shot, but when I check back it's not in the shot, so I gotta make sure that it's in the shot. You hears? Let's get a side back shot of me. And then the side shot on this side. Anyway. Oh, the legends. Get a front shot of this peeps. This pimp thing. You know what? Let's go drop my bag off first. Then we'll come back to these. No, boom, 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 boom. Is that a Ferrari? Yeah, it's a Ferrari right there. Check that out too. I gotta run because all the peeps are pulling in. They're pulling in quick. Now let's get my thing out. If anyone sees my esky, it's just mine. Stop playing with me. Where is it? There you go. It's mine. Stop playing with me. Matter of fact, let me get a drink. Oh. Don't fly away any of my people. that shit. Come on, come on. Missing some action. Bear with me for a second. Right, we're back. Let's get the hell over here before the peak pulling impact.
That not long ago, right? I think I saw it.
I have to tell you a funny story about that. I had that car for about 3 years, and you know what? I never loved it. It was a bit impractical. I didn't have a room. It was no luxury, but it was fun. It had a 302.
Love this shit. I had to go over here and check these dirty holdings out first. Thing in that thing. This dirty old fucking Brougham or whatever you call it. Get a shot of this dirty thing on the side here. Premiere, baby. Whoo, shit. This is the boss car. Little bit of a blue mark on your car, mate. You might have to buff that out, son. But this thing is boss. I have to go back over there, that's right, to the other thing. I don't know if I said the time back over there, so I better say it again. It's 8:30.